All right, good morning, everybody, and another round of coffee and questions. And what we're going to talk about today is I ran into a situation where my cell phone case got really messed up. It got overspray on it. It was dirty anyway, but my case is made out of leather. And so I thought, wow, how am I going to clean this? And I didn't have any leather cleaner available. And I had remembered a while back, I had watched a video where a guy had used olive oil. In my case, in the cupboard, I had this extra virgin olive oil, and I thought, well, it's not going to hurt anything, and I'm going to try it, and I'm just going to see what happens. So I went ahead and I went and brought it inside. I pulled out the olive oil like you see here in the picture, and I went ahead and first I cleaned it, just, wiped it off really good and got it as clean as I could. But you'll see in the picture above me, it's got some overspray on it, and it looks kind of nasty, and it's kind of messed up because I've never done anything with it in terms of leather conditioner or cleaning or anything, and I thought, let's give it a try. So I turned around and I scrubbed it actually with a paper towel and using this olive oil, and I just sat here and I kept scrubbing it and scrubbing it and scrubbing it, and then I wiped it off, and the results actually were very surprising. I'm going to show you a picture. Let me change this and then we'll continue the discussion. But this is your quick tip of the day if you've got leather and you want to do something that doesn't require extensive cleaning, but just to clean it up. Okay, so the picture above me now is the same phone case, and I did 2 applications. Put the first one on there, like I said, I scrubbed the daylights out of it. I wiped it off really good with a paper towel and dried it, and I thought, well, let me try it one more time. It seemed to work really well, but it still had a little bit of gunk on there, and maybe I didn't use enough olive oil. It was my first time trying this. So I went ahead and I did it again, and I'm surprised. I mean, it actually turned out really well, and it's probably something you have in your cupboard anyway. So the next time, you got something that's made out of leather, and you want to breathe a little bit of life back into it and get rid of the scratches and the marks and everything else from, the abuse or whatever. And my phone case does get quite a bit of abuse. It's in and out of my pocket. I throw it around at home. I lay it in the workshop. On and on and on. Or maybe you don't have a phone case that's leather, but maybe you have something else in your home or in your automobile that's leather, and you want to try this. It actually works really good conditioning it also, but it has removed the scratches just like I did over here on the far right. I mean, so if not, grab some oil, give it a try. I mean, who knows? It might work for you, right? That's your quick tip of the day. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe and keep following me. Give me a thumbs up. It's just a short video, but thank you, folks. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.